Welcome to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this very exciting and powerful video of algebraic challenging equations, today we are going to solve very interesting rational equation. Equation is 4 over x cube minus 3 over x power 4 equal to 1 and given x is real value. So let's get started by writing domain of the equation. As you can see, x is involved in the denominator. So I can write x cannot be 0. First thing. Okay, now I will multiply because x is non-zero, so I can multiply both sides with x power 4. Done. Let's expand. So I will write 4x minus 3 equal to x power 4. After writing x power 4 to the left, I will write 4x minus 3. Now I'm going to solve this problem using perfect square method. So in my mind, I will consider x square plus a whole square. So x square whole square. X square plus a whole square means a plus b whole square. So a square. So x power 4 is there. What is extra? I will add to the RHS also. So one thing is extra, that is 2ax square, 2ab and then a square. Now it is balance. Now I will write 4x minus 3. So meaning is simple. I have added this term to both sides. Once you will add to left, you will get x square plus a whole square. Now I will frame one quadratic equation. So I will write 2ax square plus 4x plus a square minus 3. Done. Now see, square it should be equal to, because we are finding the real values of x. So this is square should be real only. It cannot be negative. So for real, it should not be, delta should not be negative. It should be equal to 0. Okay, it should be equal to 0. So I will write b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So what is ABC? Let me write here. A is the coefficient of x square. Capital B is the coefficient of x. Capital C is the constant coefficient. Let's put over there. So I will write b square. So 16 minus 4ac. So 4 times 2a, 8a, and c is a square minus 3. If I will expand and I will frame the equation, then I can write equation is 8a cube minus 24a minus 16 equal to 0. Once you will divide with 8, you will get one cubic equation. Let me write here a cube minus 3a minus 2 equal to 0. Now what I will do, I will solve this cubic equation for a, then I will put back here in this original equation, and then this side RHS will become whole square. Then I can take the square root and then solution will be clear. Or I can put here also. Both are same thing. So let's solve this cubic equation first. A cube minus 3a minus 2 equal to 0. So I will use synthetic division. One base solution is required. So rational root theorem, you can write over there plus minus 1 plus minus 2. Let me put x is equal or a equal to 2. If I will put a equal to 2, see what will happen. 8 minus 6 minus 2. Yes, it is true. So we can say a equal to 2 is our base solution. Okay. Now I will find out the remaining 2. How it will be? Using synthetic division. Let me write all the coefficients first. 1, 0, negative 3, 2, negative 2. Okay. Now leading term as it is, unchanged. 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 1, 2 into 1, 2, 0. So these are the coefficients for quadratic equation. And equation was in A. So this will be in A only. So I can write a square plus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. That means a plus 1 whole square it is. equal to 0. So one more solution is confirmed, that is a is equal to -1. Now we have to only find out real x. Now what I will do, I will put one by one a equal to 2 and then a equal to -1 in the original equation a, perfect square equation. Let's put, I will begin with first case a equal to 2. Okay, let me write first case a equal to 2, and equation was the main one, original one, perfect square, x square plus a whole square equal to 2a x square plus 4x plus a square minus 3. Okay, let's put a equal to 2. So x square plus 2 whole square, 4x square plus 4x plus a square, so 4 minus 3, 1. Which square is this? It is 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, now I will take square roots both sides. X square plus 2 whole square. Take square root both sides. So left hand side would be x square plus 2 and right hand side would be plus minus 2x plus 1. Now from here I will frame two equations, one with plus sign, another with minus sign, and then I will solve. Here it is. Now take all the terms to LHS. X square minus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So I can write this is a minus b whole square, x minus 1 whole square, 0. So x will be equal to 1. So far the very first solution is x is equal to 1, which is real, accepted solution. Now come to the second quadratic equation. Take all the terms to left, x square plus 2x, and then I will write plus 3 equal to 0. See, this will generate complex solution. Find out delta, discriminant, b square minus 4ac. So b square is 2 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 3. So it is 4 minus 12, which is minus 8, negative, complex roots. So we will reject. We will reject this solution. So let me write here, rejected. So only solution which is accepted so far, that is x is equal to 1. Now I will consider the second value of a. Number 2, a is equal to minus 1 it was. Again I will write our equation first, the perfect square equation, whole square is equal to 2ax square plus 4x plus a square minus 3. Let's put a equal to minus 1. So I will write x square minus 1 whole square is equal to 2 times minus 1. So it will become minus 2. So I will write minus 2x square, okay, plus 4x, a square, so 1 minus 3 minus 2. You can see minus is there. I will take minus 2 common. So in bracket I will write x square minus 2x. If you will take minus 2 common, then minus 2x plus 1 equal to nothing. X square minus 2x plus 1. Now I will write minus 2 x minus 1 whole square. Conclusion is, see, it is x square minus 1 whole square. Whole square is negative. Whole square is negative. How? See, this cannot be negative because it is having whole square. So this is again whole square. Whole square is negative, forcing that complex solution will come. Complex solution. So this is also, which one is rejected? The solution from a equal to -1. So it is rejected. So that means conclusion is x is equal to 1 is the only real solution for the given rational equation. And let's verify also. 4 over 1 cube minus 3 over 1 power 4, 4 minus 3, which is 1, equal to RHS. verified. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.